What I'm going to do right now, though, is Mina mentioned the WPD-900. It's this little guy here. I have the receiver already in the LDE, so I'm going to go ahead and connect this to my laptop just to show how easy it is to connect. So what's going to happen here is we've got our ViewShare here. This is about to turn green when everything is ready to go. There we go. We can see that. And so it's going to just start sharing from my laptop. Okay. That was it. You just saw me plug it in and it's ready to go. Right. And so now it's going to be showing the content on here.
Awesome.
And that was it.
Yeah.
Right. So there was no setup. All we did was the HDMI is plugged in here for the receiver. So it's an HDMI receiver that takes USB power. You can plug it into the USB power that's either on our displays, that's on our commercial displays, like in our direct view or in our commercial displays. But really, it works with any display. It's an HDMI receiver. And then when you plug it in, this plugs into phones, this plugs into laptops. And you could see I didn't need to install any drivers.
Yeah.
I didn't need to do anything. I just plugged it in and we're ready to share.